आई
हम्म।
चूज टू डू इट मोर देन 100%। जो गड्ढा भगवान बनाता है ना आपके लिए,
हम्म।
कभी कभी उस गड्ढे में भी कुछ चवन्नी 1-2 रुपया पड़ा हुआ मिलता है, आप गिरने के बाद वो मिल जाता है।
आपने क्या मिस्टेक्स किए, लाइक व्हाट आर द मिस्टेक्स दैट यू डिड एंड दैट पीपल शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ एंड दे शुड नॉट रिपीट देम? मेरा मिस्टेक आई थिंक लेटर पार्ट में आया व्हेन आई गॉट द जॉब। मेरे को जॉब मिल गई, बट देन आई गॉट
हम्म।
कंफर्टेबल इन दैट जॉब।
अगर आई थिंक यू हैव दीज 3 थिंग्स, यू आर गुड एट व्हाट यू डू,
यस।
your communication is good, and you are genuine, and then 100%, अगर आप 10 इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, आप एक जरूर क्रैक करोगे। फिर
यस।
the positive point at my end was that whatever I choose to do, I
हम्म।
choose to do it more than 100%.
या।
So I used to study like crazy. I mean, I because कुछ भी नहीं आता था ना। क्या
हम्म।
आता था? कुछ भी नथिंग, नो C++ तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था क्या है।
हम्म।
जावा क्या है, कुछ भी नहीं पता था। आई यूज टू वेक अप एट 7 o'clock during Infosys training. Okay, they had
हम्म।
this training, and the training is very stringent.
हम्म।
So I used to wake up at 7 o'clock till night. At 12 o'clock, I used to completely study.
हम्म।
Be in there in the classroom. The classroom I think was open till 10:30. I don't remember specifically now. वहां पे बैठती थी, घर जाती थी, थोड़ा बहुत खाना, देन ऑल्सो आई यूज टू स्टडी 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock,
हम्म।
एंड टिल नाउ आई एम स्टडिंग। तो वो कभी रुका नहीं है। सो यू हैव, कुछ करने के लिए आपको बैठ के काम करना तो पड़ेगा।
हाँ,
मतलब
यू हैव टू पुट इन
you have
एफर्ट्स
to,
अगर कुछ भी
like you
चाहिए तो।
did, like you did during those 4 years. I did
हम्म।
after I joined my IT journey.
हम्म।
After I came in masters, तभी भी मैंने I worked hard for my instrumentation thing.
हम्म।
And but IT, I think these 15 years I have never stopped learning, never.
हम्म। या।
मतलब I think every 3 months to 4 months I have reinvented, I have learned some new language, or I have been in some new and learned some new system, some OS, some language, some DB,
हम्म।
something or the other, some cloud system, some certification.
यस।
So learning has never stopped for me, and that I think is my the advantage that I had, that I could switch companies even after getting married, having a kid and all. Still, I could switch companies during this
हम्म।
time and still get that
या।
opportunity.
या, बट देन द फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू, हाउ डिड यू क्रैक योर फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू? डू यू रिमेम्बर एनीथिंग अबाउट इट?
कैसा है ना, अ, जो गड्ढा भगवान बनाता है ना आपके लिए,
हम्म।
कभी कभी उस गड्ढे में भी कुछ चवन्नी 1-2 रुपया पड़ा हुआ मिलता है, आप गिरने के बाद वो मिल जाता है।
पहले गिरो तो सही।
गिरो तो सही। तो जो गड्ढा बनाया था ना भगवान
हाँ।
ने, उसमें मुझे सोना मिल गया, ऐसा आप बोल सकते हो। तो ड्यूरिंग माई मास्टर्स इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी। आई saved money for my masters.
हम्म।
Of course, my parents helped me a little bit, but most of the money came from my saved money, which I did during the time of my 2 years I worked.
हम्म।
And during my masters, I used to take tuitions, private tuitions, for kids, 12 standard kids
या।
in Mumbai. So I used to come back from Pune to Mumbai every Saturday, Sunday, go in my classes, teach them maths, chemistry, physics, sometimes even English. Okay.
हम्म।
And I used to get my pocket money for the entire month for my hostel.
हम्म।
And I never studied for aptitude. That is the, worst part. Actually, I would recommend to study for aptitude and, do lit coding and everything for now. Now I do it obviously, but that time, कुछ पता ही नहीं था यार, क्या
क्या
करना है
करना
क्या
है?
नहीं करना है, ऐसे ही बह जा रहे थे लिटरली। अभी
हम्म।
तो यूट्यूब है, सब कुछ है, पीपल नो व्हाट टू डू।
यस।
तभी तो मुझे नहीं पता था। तो
हम्म।
ड्यूरिंग व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टीच देम, I got so good in maths and science, 12th standard maths and science. I actually could give the exam again and actually fare well. I think maybe मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छे मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं, क्योंकि मैं
हम्म।
इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा तब किया था। पर because I studied that, When Infosys, Capgemini, and other IT companies came in my campus, now that the worst part is that these people don't hire masters, you know.
Hmm.
They are very skeptical in hiring masters people. तो वो भी एक
Okay.
अलग part है. That's why I will not recommend to go through your journey better because they
Hmm.
feel that masters people बड़े हैं, you know, they are
Hmm.
elder. और वो ये graduates के साथ जम पाएगा क्या उनका? These are
Hmm.
also the questions that they ask during their HR rounds and all. कि
So
you are
people
elder
should
2 3
remember
years.
ये point ना याद रखो, because if you're doing your masters, during your interview such questions are going to come. So अगर कर रहे हो तो
Yeah,
सोच
yeah,
समझ के करो, और
yeah.
अगर नहीं कर रहे हो तो that's a better way to go, right? That's what you're recommending.
And yes, 100%. And even you think, right? If you graduate and join a company, and I do my master's and join a company, we both are at the same level now.
Hmm. Hmm.
Won't you feel a little bit inferior कि मैं मास्टर्स करके भी इसके जितना कमा रही हूँ या इससे मे बी कम भी कमा रही हूँ? Won't you feel that? You will
Yes.
feel that at certain point. It takes a lot of strength and understanding that मैं ये बैकग्राउंड से आई हूँ तो मेरे लिए अभी के लिए ये फाइन है बट आई एम गोइंग टू रिकवर इट डोंट वरी ये माइंड में यू हैव नीड टू हैव दैट स्ट्रेंथ हंड्रेड
Yes.
परसेंट सो आई ऑलवेज हैड दैट स्ट्रेंथ तो
Hmm.
तभी जब मुझे एचआर राउंड में ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया तो आई
Hmm.
वॉज वेरी वेरी क्लियर दैट आई टोल्ड नो आई एम वेरी मतलब आई वॉन्ट दिस जॉब like
Hmm.
anything. Okay,
Hmm.
I want to clear this interview for my self-worth and my self-esteem. So 100% I am ready to
Hmm.
come. And the second thing was the second year project that I did, Sharyu, right? It was completely an assembly language project. So that also helped me crack the interview. Okay, as an
Okay.
instrumentation engineer, I had completely coded it in assembly language. So
Hmm.
the person who codes in assembly language, other languages are fine. Okay, you
Yeah.
can relate later on, right? Assembly
Yes.
is like
Yeah, let's say it's
Lord.
mother of logic.
Correct. So I was asked a lot of logical questions which I could 100% give answers to. That interview went very well.
Hmm.
Aptitude was cleared because of the 12th standard maths and everything that I taught these people. And
Hmm.
interview got cleared because of my second year practical.
Hmm.
Okay.
So
So
whatever you study, that's what you're trying to say. Whatever you study, if you do it well, it is always going to help you.
What I'm that is there, but the other thing that I will tell is that at that point in time, okay, आप
Hmm.
जो भी कर रहे हो, जैसे you did NIT, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
With this as your course, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So that time you gave your 100% to that course. Because
Yeah.
of that course, you landed your first job, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Yeah. So अगर आप वो कोर्स को ऐसे ही ले लेते थे, तो क्या आपको मिलता था जॉब? नहीं
हाँ,
मिलता था.
ऐसे ही
Did
करते
you
तो नहीं
have that
मिलता.
हाँ डिड यू हैव दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इसी कोर्स के वजह से मुझे मिलने वाला है नहीं
No.
वॉट एवर इन दिस मोमेंट यू आर डूइंग यू डू इट वेल दैट इज
Hmm.
वॉट माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ माई लाइफ जर्नी इज बिकॉज वो कभी ना कभी काम आता है वो
Hmm.
आता है काम कहीं पे भी वो
Yes.
आएगा काम
स्वप्ना, आपने क्या मिस्टेक्स किए? लाइक व्हाट आर द मिस्टेक्स that you did and that people should be aware of and they should not repeat them? Can you summarize while you
सबसे
are
मेजर
pursuing
मिस्टेक
the?
जो अभी मुझे एकदम तुरंत समझ में आ रही है वो है किसी का भी सुनो और कुछ भी करो ओके ये
Hmm.
अच्छा लग रहा है चलो निकलो इधर से हर्ड मेंटालिटी
Don't get
The
influenced.
most biggest mistake of my life is that I believed in herd mentality. I believed that what others are doing और जो दूसरे लोग जिसमें हैप्पी है उसमें आई विल गेट द हैप्पीनेस और द सेटिस्फैक्शन दैट मेरे लाइफ में ये चाहिए. So
Hmm.
first of all, my recommendation is get out of that herd mentality. Herd mentality is not going to take you anywhere. It will just lead you to a lot of confusion, which मैंने suffer किया for 4 years of my life. I've gone through that jalebi of confusion to come out of it stronger. Obviously, I came out of it stronger, but there will be some people who may get lost in that. Okay, people will can tell you, okay, you invest in this, invest in that, and you will be gone and you will lose your
Yes.
focus. So first thing for everybody is that what you see is not the truth.
Hmm.
Come out of it. Okay, जो
Hmm.
आप देखते हो especially this zamana of LinkedIn, Insta and all these YouTubers, influencers,
Hmm.
influencers or whatever. Okay,
Hmm.
don't fall in those trap. Okay, this
Even
is
not just on social media. We have seen this when social media was not there. We used to get influenced in college days
yeah,
with our friends,
yeah.
with our rich friends
Yeah,
also, right?
correct, correct. With our friends only we got influenced, right?
Yeah,
I got influenced by friends, relatives, anyway, parents,
yeah,
everybody
yeah.
came into picture. So you go inside, आप थोड़ा सा टाइम दो, थोड़ा स्विच ऑफ करके you think exactly आपको करना क्या है. अगर आपको सच में you want to be a doctor, you really want to be a tech person, a coder, or you have your hobbies which you really want to turn into something else. तो आप
Hmm.
देखो और इवन ये सोचो कि उसके लिए सपोर्ट है क्या भाई.
Hmm.
अगर आपको ये चीज करनी है तो उसके लिए मेन मतलब सपोर्ट होना चाहिए, नहीं तो चुपचाप आप जॉब करो. डोंट
हाँ.
गो इनटू दैट स्ट्रगल कि मैं मेरा हॉबी ही करूंगा चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. डोंट गो इनटू दैट. यू डू सम जॉब, यू हैव सेव सम मनी फॉर योर अदर थिंग्स जो आपका मन में है, एंड देन यू गो टुवर्ड्स दैट पाथ. सो माय फर्स्ट मिस्टेक वाज getting influenced, not
Hmm.
looking inside what I actually wanted to do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I think many people today will relate with that. Okay.
Yes.
My second, major mistake was not consulting people in the field about the field. Okay. When I chose biomedical or when I chose instrumentation, I don't remember consulting people on that. Okay.
Hmm.
Which now when I came in IT, I have become a big fan of the consulting culture. Okay, so if I have a problem, I maybe call you up and ask you, Sharyu, this is, this thing, or I maybe call some other consultants to ask them. But
Yeah.
ye mentality is learned mentality. It has not come from where I came from.
Hmm.
So ask people. Have
Yes.
a set of, chota set of people who actually can give you good advice.
Yeah.
Don't take advices from anybody. थोड़ा
Yes.
सा एडवाइस सुनो पर अपने मन की करो, लिटिल बिट. ओके,
Yeah.
एंड filter it out,
Hmm.
filter those advices, and then you think which matches you the best and go ahead with it. Okay, so that is also important. So now
True.
let me push this question to you because you have asked me this is very beautiful question कि आपके क्या mistakes थे. तो मैं I really want to know that what you think were your mistakes.
I think mistakes wise, मेरा mistake I think later part में आया when I got the job. मेरे को job मिल गई, but then I got
Hmm.
comfortable in that job. I think that's a
Correct.
problem. You should not be so comfortable कि तुम लंबा time 10 में almost 11 years I was in one company. It
Yeah,
was a
yeah, I know.
great company, no doubts about it. But then you also have to learn, right? So I think that's one mistake that I have done, and no one should do it. That keep learning at younger age. तब आप switch कर सकते हो. Maybe later on आप नहीं switch करो. Later on in life you can stay in one company for a longer time. But initially keep switching, keep learning, and keep having more experiences and people around you.
Correct. That's true. That's very true. I remember I used to call you and I used to tell you, Sharyu, change, change, change.
You used to tell me, but then I used to be very afraid to give interviews, and after that, like first interview I cracked, and after that, giving interviews used to be such a big pain for
Yeah,
me.
yeah, this is also a one big, I think, topic of giving interviews. Many people like us are afraid. Even I was
Yes.
at certain point afraid,
Mm.
but somehow, I came out of that. Fail, you will fail lot of interviews,
Yeah.
but you just need one to crack it. You
Yes,
can fail
exactly.
100 and crack one, but still you
Yes.
need only one job, right? I
Mm.
always tell people that
Yes.
आप कितना भी फेल हो बट सक्सेस के लिए एक ही चांस चाहिए रहता है. ओनली
Yes.
वन टाइम सक्सेस इज सक्सेस.
Yes.
बाकी सब फेलियर तो बाद में निकल ही जाता है. आप 100 बार ट्राई करो, 1000 बार ट्राई करो, वो सिर्फ आपके दिमाग में रहता है कि यार मैंने तो 100 बार. पर किसी को और को थोड़ी पता है यू हैव गिवन सो मेनी इंटरव्यूज, बट अगर आपने
Yes.
एक क्रैक कर लिया, गूगल का क्रैक कर लिया, माइक्रोस, बस हो गया. बट यू हैव टू कीप 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 ट्राइंग. आई थिंक
I
कीप
think वो
ट्राइंग.
problem मेरा क्या था, the same problem that I have never failed anywhere, like अच्छे marks, सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा, then I don't want to fail in interviews. That was
करेक्ट,
the biggest problem, fear of failure. I guess you should
करेक्ट,
never बी fearful of failure, और जितना ये यंग एज में कर लो ना, लाइक फेल हो जाओ जितना यंग एज में, दैट इज बेटर देन फेलिंग later on. So yeah.
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
Yeah, so that's the mistake that I will highlight. So how can we stand out then? Okay, ठीक है, ये सब problems है, मतलब आपको स्ट्रगल करना पड़ेगा, सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, बट देन इतने सारे क्राउड में, लाइक राइट नाउ अगर आप स्टैटिस्टिक्स देखो, 15 lakh students are getting graduated every year from an engineering college, but only 1.5 lakh students are getting placed every year. So अगर 10% ही रेशियो है, तो आप स्टैंड आउट करने के लिए आपने क्या करना चाहिए? व्हाट शुड यू डू?
Okay. So, like we started, right? This is not something for IIT, NIT people or, people who have figured out everything, know everything. So,
हम्म
उनको side में कर देते हैं. And if those people are, maybe watching or not watching, they should not. I think this is not for them.
हम्म
Suppose हमारे जैसा है,
हम्म
college मिल गया है, right?
हम्म
But
हम्म
not so good college. So college है.
हम्म
ओके, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट्स भी आते हैं, नहीं आते हैं, कुछ
हम्म
भरोसा नहीं है, ठीक है,
हम्म
जैसे अपने साथ सिमिलर.
हम्म
And suppose IT, they want to be in IT or they already are in IT, but basically, let's talk about this particular area of
हम्म
IT. Let's not talk about core because I think that is another topic altogether.
यस
Okay, core ka. So let's talk about this, that they want to actually go in IT or pursue something in IT, because majority of this crowd has come into engineering because they want to have a job, and especially a IT job,
यस
because of the dreams that IT provides with it.
हम्म
So the first thing I would say is that upskilling तो मैंने बोला important है ही, but second चीज जो मैंने देखी है बहुत important है, your communication, your personality, that the way you talk in your
हम्म
interview, it matters. Okay,
एग्जैक्टली
in an ideal world it should not. आप जितने smart हो and जितना आपको आता है उससे आपको जॉब्स मिलने चाहिए, बट somehow we don't stay in an ideal world. So I have seen people, especially even when I used to take interviews, I had to reject people because they knew the answer, but the way they communicated was not as per, what we wanted.
यस
So I had to reject them with a heavy heart.
या
So first of all, it is very important to have a good communication. I'm not talking language per se. You can tell the interviewer also that maybe I will use this language for comfort, but the way you speak, the
हम्म
way you project yourself in an interview, the way you even dress and speak in an interview goes a long way. Okay.
हम्म बट
Secondly, being genuine, right?
what happens is, in this quest of being, confident, people sometimes become overconfident and they come across an interview as being too
No, वो
overconfident.
भी
So you should
हाँ,
have, you
good
should
one,
strike that balance
good one.
and have
No, no.
good confidence.
Yeah, great point. Actually, I have had people who are super overconfident also.
Yeah.
There are people like that, but उनका रेशियो कम है. उनका
True.
रेशियो कम है. अगर आपके पास 10 लोग आएंगे, उसमें से 9 लोग अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट है और एक सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट होगा. ओके.
True. सो
एंड ये जो
कम्युनिकेशन में इम्पॉर्टेंट बात ये है कि यू शुड, डू यू नीड टू नो इंग्लिश और नॉट? आई फील पीपल शुड लर्न इंग्लिश इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन सॉफ्टवेयर. अगर तुमको
अगेन,
इंग्लिश नहीं आता, तुम काम नहीं कर पाओगे, लोग आपको हायर ही
नहीं,
नहीं करेंगे.
वही तो आइडियल वर्ल्ड नहीं है ना. हम लोग कितना भी
हम्म
लैंग्वेज पे डिबेट्स कर ले, यहाँ वहां पे स्टेट वाइज, ये वाइज वो वाइज, बट अल्टीमेटली जाके आपको इंग्लिश में ही बात करनी है. यू हैव टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश.
यस
दैट इज द रियलिटी. पीपल हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. यू कैन नॉट टॉक टू टेल योर क्लाइंट, अरे मेरे लैंग्वेज में बात कर, मैं तेरे लैंग्वेज में नहीं बात करूंगा.
यस
ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते हो. यू शुड नो इंग्लिश एंड यू शुड लर्न इंग्लिश. ये हमारा हार्ड रियलिटी है. हम
हम्म
लोग को ये एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. एंड देन यू हैव टू, इवन इवन व्हेन यू टॉक इन इंग्लिश, राइट, आपका द वे ऑफ टॉकिंग, द वे यू कम्युनिकेट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब some people know English but they don't know how to communicate.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
see,
just being grammatically correct in English is not good.
not,
What
yes,
should
correct,
happen is you should be able to put forward your point, and सामने वाला should be able to understand your point. That's communication, right?
exactly,
In
exactly,
English, this
exactly.
should this should happen, और वो होता ही नहीं है most of the interviews में.
वो बोलते हैं ना एक्स फैक्टर। तो
That's the X
ये
factor.
ये जो चीज है ये आपको स्टैंड आउट कराएगी। द सेकेंड थिंग दैट यू नीड टू बी इज यू नीड टू बी गुड एट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग।
Hmm.
You cannot give this fake AI interviews. People can make out.
Yes.
People can make out. Interviewer is not stupid, okay? That आप ऐसे ऐसे रीड कर रहे हो या कहाँ पे दे रहे हो या पूरा का पूरा द एंटायर एआई का आप ऐसे रीड करके दिखा रहे हो इंटरव्यू में।
True.
आप मतलब पीपल आई डोंट नो दीज पीपल थिंक दैट इंटरव्यूअर्स आर स्टूपिड और नॉट दैट व्हेन दे रीड ऑल दिस एआई से रिलेटेड एंटायर आंसर्स।
Yeah.
नो पीपल आर नॉट स्टूपिड। समझ में आता है, हम लोग भी एआई के थ्रू बात करते हैं बहुत सारी
करते.
चीज।
Yes.
तो बी जेन्युइन यार, बी
Hmm.
जेन्युइन।
Yes.
मुझे तो द इंटरव्यू विच आई हैव टेकन आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन दिस। नहीं
Hmm.
आता है तो सीधा बोलो नहीं आता है।
Hmm.
It's okay. I think sometimes you can say, this, I'm not sure about this, and I will check it up later after this interview. It's a very
Yeah.
good answer. Interviewer भी को भी लगता है हाँ ये genuine personality है,
Hmm.
and everybody will not know everything.
Yeah.
Correct, right? You don't know
Yes.
everything. I don't know
Huh.
everything. हम लोग ने भी पढ़ाई करके ही किया है,
Yes.
इंटरव्यू दे के फेल होके ही सब कुछ किया है।
Hmm. The
तो
interviewer
वो
should
genuineness,
feel that you are genuine and sincere. That is what is important. Like, even if
yes,
you don't
yes.
know, you'll figure it out. You have the ability to figure it out. That is important.
Agar I think you have these three things, you are good at what you do, your
Yes.
communication is good, and you are genuine, and then 100% अगर आप 10 इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो आप एक जरूर क्रैक करोगे।
टू
सो
कॉल आउट, मैं ये कॉल आउट करना चाहती हूँ कि कम्युनिकेशन मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है, स्पेशली फॉर अस हियर इन इंडिया, वी आर वेरी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट। तो कम्युनिकेशन बहुत जरूरी है। आपको इंग्लिश आना चाहिए, आपको एक्सप्लेन करने आना चाहिए, दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट। क्योंकि आपको कुछ भी आता हो, इवन इफ यू आर गुड एट व्हाट यू डू, if you are not able to explain, it will not work out. So for me, communication is the topmost priority to stand out in these three things.